Hi, I'm Randy Courtney, broker-owner of Weichert Realtors Courtney Valleywide. We're here in South Tempe at Warner Estates at 1460 East Colt. We have a property today we're going to see that is one of the best contemporary homes on the market. Let's go take a look. It is over 6,170 square feet, 5-bedroom with a den. It has 3/4 acre lot, and it is beautiful. Well, thanks for joining me on this wonderful tour of this incredible contemporary home. If you have interest, contact me. We'll set up a private